Want to know how to log out of your Evernote app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on the three paddle lines on the top left corner. Scroll down, tap on Settings option below Dark Theme. Tap on Account Info below Settings. Scroll down. On the bottom you have an option of Shine Out. Tap on it. Shining out will remove all of your cached notes and offline notebooks from your device, and if you're okay with it, you can tap on Yes. You can see that just by doing it, you're logged out of your Evernote account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. For more videos related to Evernote, go and visit our channel and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.